Some of you know, I recently bought some property and I'm going to build a house on it in a new workshop. Well, I went out to the property and I looked around and I found this piece of wood. I'm not sure what it is at all, but I figured Leanne deserved a little special treat, so I'm going to make her a bowl. Let's see what happens. I'm going to guess this is some sort of an oak. It's got some spalting in it. Come on over here, Shay. It's got some spalting in here. It's got some discolorations. So I'm going to figure out which side I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a blank out on it. So I'll be right back. So as I'm looking at this, I was going to use this side because I cut the pits out of it. This has the pits in it, but this thing is rotted halfway down the middle. So I'd only be able to do a small bowl out of it. So I'm going to cut that out of this one right here. Definitely oak. This is incredible grain. Look at this stuff. I'm definitely going to use that other piece, even though it's punky. This bark inclusion goes all the way through. I'm just going to let it go and then I'll fill it with epoxy. Like, get everything out I can and then fill it with epoxy. start tonight. Forever's gonna start to. Never know. I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart.